Today, we're exploring the journey of Al Sharpton, the Baptist minister and civil rights activist who transformed from a teenage boy wonder preacher into one of the most influential political and media figures in America. As the founder of the National Action Network, or NAN, Sharpton has spent decades at the center of the nation's most critical conversations on racial justice, police reform, and voting rights. So, where is Al Sharpton now? Let's find out. Al Sharpton remains a powerhouse in the media and civil rights sectors, actively leading his organization and hosting multiple national programs. He continues to split his time between his home base in New York City and Washington, D.C., where he maintains significant political influence. On January 3, 2026, he kicked off the year by leading the first National Action Network Saturday Action Rally of the year at the House of Justice in Harlem, where he laid out a 2026 agenda focused on protecting voting rights and defending economic justice. While he has faced decades of scrutiny and controversy, from his early activism in the 1980s to his roles as a presidential advisor, Sharpton has solidified his position as a mainstream media staple. He continues to host his long-running show, Politics Nation, on MSNBC, which remains a key platform for his political analysis. He also remains at the helm of his nationally syndicated daily radio show, Keepin' It Real, and continues his weekly Sunday morning broadcasts from the WBLS FM studios in NYC. Where is Al Sharpton now? As of now, Al Sharpton is active and healthy, continuing his rigorous schedule of pre-dawn workouts and daily broadcasts as he enters his 72nd year. He is currently residing in New York City, where he oversees the global operations of the National Action Network. In early 2026, he has been particularly vocal regarding U.S. foreign policy and domestic civil rights challenges, recently appearing on MS Now to discuss international law and voting accountability. Professionally, his Politics Nation program continues to be a high-rated weekend staple for MSNBC, while his NAN Saturday rallies are broadcast live weekly across multiple digital and television platforms. In addition to his media roles, he remains a key figure in national civil rights advocacy, recently participating in the National Urban League's legislative policy summits and continuing his work with the African American Network Against Alzheimer's as an honorary co-chair. Al Sharpton has transformed from a controversial street activist into a seasoned statesman and media mogul who continues to lead with his voice. While his journey has seen its share of debate, he remains a persistent force in American life, prioritizing his advocacy and his message of no justice, no peace above all else. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite leaders and their journeys, don't forget to follow along for more updates.